My name is Cat Kramer.
And I'm Zack Denfeld.
And we're from the Center for Genomic Gastronomy.
So that's an artist-led think tank that looks at the biodiversity and biotechnology of food systems. We publish cookbooks, we do experimental workshops with food, write recipes, make pop-up restaurants, things like that.
Yeah. So we started 3 or 4 years ago now. We met at the Laboral during an Interactivos activity and started talking about food, and then 4 months later met up again in New York and continued our discussions, and that really fostered and led to Genomic Gastronomy as it is today, which is a whole range of projects that we've done all over the world.
And now we're back in Madrid at Medialab Prado, so it's a bit of a homecoming because in a way it's where it all started. The idea of open source and technology, and in our case food and biology coming together. We're trying to make artwork as well as trying to work with different communities. So we got a tour of the space, and it looks amazing. We're in the kitchen right now.
Yes, and very excited to see what's going to happen here, because there seems to be a lot of potential and a lot of space, which is also important, and a lot of energy to get interesting projects up and running. So.
And I think what's really cool about being in the kitchen right now is we love working with maker and hacker communities, and there's some interest in food, but there's not always room for it. So the fact that there's a dedicated room where you could get sort of hackers, makers, doers, as well as people who come from different food communities from the city together is pretty exciting. So.
Yeah. I mean, that's what we've been talking about for 3 years as well, so it's exciting to see it actually happen in place.
Okay, fantastic.